Good morning, students. We are meeting second time again today. So, yesterday we studied about a poem, a happy song, right? And you might be thinking, who is this teacher? We never had such type of we never had a Manju ma'am teaching us English, right? But then for some days, I will be teaching you English. Okay. Yesterday we studied about a pretty song, uh, a happy song, not a pretty song, a happy song in which we did action. I think you must have understood that song was little small one, and because of small song, video was also very small. Today we are going to study about nature. Nature means what? Nature means anything which is around you. Nature means what? Anything which is around you. Now your surrounding. Now at present you might be sitting in your house or you might be outside of your house. That time what do you see? You see a lot of trees, you see a lot of birds, you see animals. Correct? That is what? That is a nature. And that nature helps us in various ways. Nature is what? Natural. Everything natural, which grows naturally. Plants grow naturally, right? Animals grow naturally. Human beings grow naturally. Are they made by man? No. And when you go out, you just close your eyes and go out. And when you will touch something, if you will touch a tree, you will understand it is a tree. Five sense organs you might have studied, I think. In UTG, five sense organs you might have studied. Your teachers might have taught you which are five sense organs: eyes, nose, yes, ears, skin, tongue. These are your sense organs. Then what we make use of these sense organs? If we are taking a flower in our hand, what we do of that flower? First we take smell. Correct? Smelling is done by what? Your nose. Smelling is done by what? Your nose. So you smell by nose. If you see green leaves outside, that time what you see? There are green leaves. That is done what? Your eyesight. Your eyesights are helping you to see leaves of the trees. Correct? If you touch something, your skin helps you to touch. Correct? If you hear sound of birds are making voice. Correct? Or they are chirping. So when you hear voice of birds, that time you are using which sense organ? You are using your ears. Correct? And you eat. Now food which we get, or vegetables which we get, or food grains which we get, from food grains we make chapati. Correct? From food grains we make chapati. Then from vegetables we make what? We make bhaji. So when we eat something, that time you taste. So that time which sense organ you are using? You are using your tongue. And these all things which you feel, which you see, which you smell, which you hear, that is all nature. That is what? That is simply a nature around you. So in same way we are going to study a poem. The name of the poem is Nature. What is name of the poem? Second topic of our English is nature. Nature means what? Anything in your surrounding is called nature. Okay. So here there is a poem. I will recite poem for you. Nature is might. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is you. Nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Now if we will sing this poem in tune, how we will sing it, that I'll tell you, okay? Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. In this way you have to recite a poem, okay? We have put tune for a poem. Now I'll explain you line wise. Now nature is might. Nature is might means what? Nature is might means nature is having capacity, or it can be possible, or it has capacity to do anything. You know it very well. All of a sudden there can be winds, anytime it can rain, anytime it can be sunny. Can you stop or what? Can you stop or what? Natural calamities, no. If it will start raining and if you don't want rain, you will say, oh, what wait, I will stop rain. You will say, oh, what, like that? No, we cannot help anything. So nature is might. Anything is possible for nature. The question is, might means what? Possible for anything. It has capacity, it has capability to do anything. It is natural process. Nature is might. Nature is strong. You know, nature is very strong. 2 days back, there was cyclone. You saw, no? Huge winds were blowing here and there. Roofs were flying. Did anyone help? Did anyone help this wind to stop? No. Man cannot help anything. Man cannot help to stop nature. Man is not having that much capability, or man is not that much strong that it will stop wind or it will stop rain. No. So nature is strong. Nature is stronger than us. Nature is stronger than anything. It is the strongest. So in second line it is given nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Beauty means what? Everywhere when you see green plants, when you see flowers in your garden, when you see the big trees which are having fruits. So that is what nature is beauty. That is natural beauty. Flowers, we are not making flowers on plants. We are not making fruits on trees. Correct? If there is a coconut tree near your house, we are not going and making those coconuts. That is natural process. Coconuts are going to the plant. Yes or no? It is a tree, big tree, huge tree which gets bunch of coconuts. Correct? That is beauty. That is what? Beauty. Beauty म्हणजे काय? सौंदर्य. That is beauty of nature. Next one is nature is moody. You know it very well. Nowadays we are suffering same thing. Nature is moody. Anything can happen. Anything can happen in this world. We cannot predict. Okay, we cannot say anything that no, this will not happen, that will not happen. We were not knowing that we are going to suffer with coronavirus. Correct? 3 months before, when we were in school, you were knowing what we are going to have. We are going to have coronavirus, or then there will be spread of coronavirus. No, anything can happen. Nature is moody. Anytime it can rain. Anytime there will be winds. Anytime there will be sun. Anytime there will be cyclone. Anytime there will be damage of houses, like with this earthquakes म्हणजे काय? भूकंप. कधी पण भूकंप होऊ शकतो. कधी पण हवा येऊ शकते. राईट? Anytime there will be cyclones. Anytime there will be earthquakes. Anything can happen. Nature is moody. It changes. Nature changes. Okay. So this is a meaning of first 4 lines. Nature is smart. Nature is what? Smart. You people are also very much smart. When you are studying in school, when you were studying in school in UKG class, your teachers were telling our students are very smart. In same way, nature is also very smart. Nature is blue. Now where you can see blue color? We can see blue color in the sky. Where we can see blue color? We can see blue color in the sky. So anywhere you see upside, you will be able to see blue. Correct or not? So it is said that nature is blue and nature is green. Upside it is blue, and on the ground or on the land it is green. Nature is true, but are you getting on? Nature is true. It is false, or what it is saying, or what sun is saying, or what to you? Tomorrow I will not rise. Does sun is saying, or what? Does rainfall is saying, or what? I will not, no, this 4-5 months I will not rain. Nature is true. Nature is not false. Nature is true. Whatever natural process is taking place around us, it is true. It is not false. But we are false, correct or not? If you are not completing homework, what do you say to your teacher? Ma'am, I went outside or I went to my relatives and I was, some students are saying every day they will have only one reason that, ma'am, I was sick, my head was paining, I had stomach ache. These are some reasons which you give, which are false reasons. Yes or no? You speak lies. But like that, nature is false or what? No. Nature is true. Correct? Did sun say what? I will not sunrise every day. It has to rise. In rainy season it rains. In winter season it is cold. Correct or not? In summer season it is hot. That is what it is told here is nature is true. Nature is you. You are also made naturally. Correct or not? When you are born to your mother, that is also natural. So nature is you. Nature is me. I am also natural. I am also a natural thing. Correct or not? I am also born naturally. So nature is you. Nature is me. And nature will forever be free. Can we catch our what nature? Can you say what? No, I will stop now. I will not allow sun to rise. You will say what? I will not to today, tomorrow. Today let it be, but then tomorrow I will not allow sunrise. I will not allow to sun to rise. Or there will be no moon at night. There will be no stars at night. Can you do or what? Can you control it or what? No, nobody can control it. So nature is always free. Okay. I think you must have understood poem. Very interesting it is. Everything is given about nature, 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 nature. You can see nature, 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 nature. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Nobody can control nature, correct or not? How we tell students how you have to sit quietly in the class, right? Whole day you will sit quietly in the class. There will be first 3 periods. After first 3 periods, there will be lunch break. After lunch break, again there will be 2 periods. After 2 periods, there will be. Then you have some discipline. You have to do it. But it is compulsory or what for nature? No, nature is always free. Anything can happen in nature. Okay, keep in mind nature means what? Anything which is surrounding in your, anything which is there in your surrounding is your nature, which you feel, correct or not? Which you feel with the help of your five sense organs, which you see, which you hear, which you smell, which you taste, correct, and which you feel. So that is all nature. That is what all nature. Now here are some words you have to look and say in your book. These words are there. You have to write down these words. Okay. First one is word is nature. What it is? Nature. 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 You have to learn these spellings. Next one is might. 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 Third one is strong. 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 Next one is beauty. 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 Moody. Moody. SMART. Smart. BLUE. Blue. GREEN. Green. TRUE. True. EVER. Ever. FREE. Free. These all words are there in your textbook. Okay. I think you all have taken textbook. Even if you have not taken textbook, you can zoom video and you can see this poem. You can see this spellings or you can see these words. Now what you have to do? You have homework today. You have to write down this poem in your notebook. You have to make 4-line notebook. Last time also I have told you you'll have to make 200 pages 4-line notebook for English. In that, on new page you have to write down name of a poem, nature. You have to write down it properly on 2 pages. It should fit. 4 lines, I think so 6 to 7 lines are there on 1 page of notebook. Then you have to complete 6 to 7 lines, then 6 to 7 lines on next page. After that you have to write down these spellings. You have to write down nature, might, strong. And same spelling of nature you have to write down. Nature, 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 nature. Might. Strong. In this way, how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 words are there. These all 11 words you have to write down. Okay. In this way, Today we have studied which poem? Nature. Just go outside of your house and close your eyes and try to touch something. Try to touch a plant. Try to touch a vehicle, anything what is there in your surrounding. You just try to touch it. Try to smell flower. Correct. Try to hear voice of animals and birds. Correct. Try to see what is there in your surrounding. Correct. And think on it. This anything which is there in your surrounding, that is nature. Okay, you can try it. You can go with your brothers, sisters outside, and you can see your nature. There will be lot of trees and plants around your house, around in your surroundings. Okay, thank you for today.